all been friends before we started performing together, so we just started learning, and the creativity kind of became a big bond for us.
I've been playing with Nadia ever since we first met out at the park. Give them some beats, give them something to move to.
Music is my religion and performance is how I worship it.
We get together and it's every time I'm learning something.
I mean, it's all about creating the art with other people. Most everybody here has a long time experience doing what they do, and when we come together, I think it's a big bang.
Spinning fire and fire breathing and
Fire fans, fire sword.
Eat fire, belly dance, koi, fire staff, fire hula hoop, and incorporate with the other members of Fire Tribe's talents. There definitely is a demand. People want to see more fire. More fire.
we have to be very careful.
It's dangerous.
You can catch your face on fire, you can catch your clothes on fire, you can swallow fuel, but other than that, it's a blast. It still scares me almost every time I do it, and that's fun.
Add the wick, and then you have to soak it for a really long time. It's a mixture of camp fuel and paraffin, which is lamp oil.
Don't try this at home, kids. That's what it's about, creating that intense kind of art.
It's just a beautiful thing. I mean, it's pure art.
Any type of art is very good for anyone's life, and dance for me is very inspiring.
Thank goodness I met the right people who want to do the same thing.